2018, new sound system, new me. Fucking.
We haven't filmed in a while. This is like first time in a week.
It's been a minute. Yeah. We're here at my brother's place.
We're the same now.
Yeah. So we're here at my brother's place. Yesterday, my brother installed a new head unit for me, and it's total shit, but it's what I got now, and it's double DIN, so that's cool. Touch screen and all that bullshit. But today, apparently he's also installing new door speakers for me, and we also have a little surprise in the trunk that we gotta wire up today.
Also, our camera's fucked.
Oh,
this is me trying to zoom in while our lens is fucked.
Yeah, the lens is toasted, which sucks because I bought that lens in high school, man. Like I saved all my pennies for like 6 months to buy this lens, and broken. I guess it
just
did
like
its job.
every other camera we have.
Literally, yeah, seriously, every camera that we use breaks.
Hopefully at the end of this month we're gonna be buying a new one.
Yeah. A setup that I'm hyped on. I've been trying to get us to buy it for a while, but we never had the money. Here's the story. I thought I bought 4 door speakers. What I bought was 8 door speakers. I returned 4, and then I get here and I realize I don't have door speakers in the back. So now I have adapters on the way so I can run 6.5-inch speakers on a 6x9 deck thingy so I can run my rear deck speakers. And then we installed my head unit yesterday, which is kind of a bitch a little bit, just because we had a bit of a time crunch. Throw in we threw in the backup camera, and this fucking head unit is so stupid. This fucking thing has a backup camera mode. You have to stop playing your music, go to the camera mode, hit the camera button, and then you can see out of your fucking backup camera. So I'm never gonna use it.
You guys never figured out any way else to...
No. That's just how it is on this. Yeah.
So, what is it? Where's it
it's
from?
a Boss Audio, some garbage. It was like 90 bucks. Don't fucking buy it. If you're gonna spend less than 150 on a double DIN touchscreen head unit, don't buy it. So I'll probably replace with this with some Pioneer someday, but right now I'm not gonna, because it's not worth it to me. Anyway, so Chris here has installed my door speakers. He also installed my head. He's installed everything. But yesterday we ran wires from the trunk to the front for the subwoofer. I mean, the trunk surprise, and
just edit that out. So
today we just gotta wire that up and get the amp installed. And I don't have a subwoofer yet. I had the funds to order this without the subwoofer, and then I got some surprise funds, and I was like, I'm ordering a fucking subwoofer. So I ordered the subwoofer like 2 days later, so it's not here yet. But my brother says he has a subwoofer that we could test out. Like, we could throw it in and see how the shit works with his subwoofer. So that's cool. Another YouTuber doesn't work on his own car. What up? Jam her straight in the hole and just screw her down. Oh wait, so before we move on to the amp shit, I actually want to turn this on and listen to them. Because the speakers that we pulled out, the factory door speakers on these are 6.5s. Fucking these. This is like 3.5 inches, dude. It reminds me of my wiener. Tiny. Oh yeah, Kat's here, by the way. She can confirm. No, so yeah, let's turn this bitch on. I guess I didn't need to turn the car on, did I? Yeah, sounds about the same as before. Cool.
Sounds crisp.
But I mean, there's like $36 for 2 speakers, so I didn't expect like my mind to be blown. But
they ain't no infinities.
Yeah, but my the other ones were shit. So so now it's time for fun stuff. And I'm at it again. Check out Lil Thing by Knox Future, or
is that what we're
Knox
listening to?
Fortune. Knox Fortune. Yeah.
I like that song.
It's a good song.
Everyone's gonna be asking about it, so.
You've been listening to it like a...
Yeah, seriously. Like
every time I come over, it's playing.
Yeah. Yeah, she shows up and I'm like, it's a Santa. Running wires from the front to the back in an IS300 is not the worst thing in the world, but the seats don't fold down, so you have to kind of find a way about it. So what we did, we had to pull these body panels out before to do the coilovers. So you can, I left it unclipped so I could get to my like damper adjusty jigs. And way back there, there's like a hole that was, I mean, probably designed for exactly this. So. Motherfucker, why my lights still on? Cause my trunk's open. That is why there's an explanation.
So we'll hook up the ground and then hook up the power, and then we'll hook up
the power of the ground.
This is the ground. Well, it's going to be the ground.
Ah.
We still have to anchor it to bare metal. and then basically hook up the RCAs to the amp, hook up the remote wire, and then I'll go grab my sub. And
Where's the remote wire go to?
it's already hooked up.
Oh, so it goes to the radio? Okay.
Yeah. And then basically that's what turns the amp on and off, so it's not constantly drawing power.
Okay, cool.
Not
The
hot
little
enough.
pouch that your glasses came in is in there? I was just bitching about it the whole time. I was about her. I was like, fucking quitting.
Hot dog sticks from Cenex. Yeah, there we go. Oh man, that's a lot of difference right there.
Baby.
It's like DJ's pee-pee.
Yeah, dude, I'm getting an R1 for those who are into that type of shit. I've wanted one for a long time, and I got one lined up. I'm gonna buy an R1, which is dope.
Really?
A lot of people are like, DJ, what the fuck? An R1's gonna kill you. And the thing is, the Rockford Fosgate R1 12-inch subwoofer is not gonna kill me. So right now I'm expertly scraping off paint to get bare metal, so we can self-tap the ground into this wheel well strut tower kind of deal. Oh, look at how grounded it is. Oh, wow. Alright, so the ground has that little bitch on it now. Where's that? Fucking whatever. Yeah, that's done. Now it's time for
Got
power.
them gold-plated terminal. So.
How much is a 45 rack of Costco Light?
20 bucks.
I knew it.
Hell yeah. What, $21 for a 40 rack?
It's a 48 rack.
Oh my god.
Yeah, dude, it's a cube this big.
I have one at my house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my dad bought it.
It is the nastiest shit beer for the first 3.
Chris fucking mounted these terminals on there, crimped them bitches on. So now we just need to figure out where to mount this motherfucker.
Well, we're at least gonna make some bumps.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
So RCA's to the back, you got a left and right channel. I don't know why you have a left and right channel, you're a mono sub.
Oh, just for fucking fun, dude.
Yeah, apparently. But you got your power, remote, ground, and then your speaker outs.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
I got a bunch of fancy controls on the back too.
Oh yeah, show those up. So on here, what you got is your bass boost. It gives you a plus 18 decibel boost. All your LPF, low pass frequency settings. You can change your frequency response rate. Full range, low passive, and basically what it'll do is only take in so much from a certain frequency range, or you can go full range, and then of course how loud it is, and then the sensitivity, the actual voltage sensitivity for your input.
Oh my god. He is. Oh my god! What the fuck?
Yeah!
Not only that, look at Clinton's phone.
Oh, true.
That's me. That's what happened.
I was just gonna
That's
say
why
that.
my phone's like this.
Dude, that's fuck.
On my Snapchat, I posted that 48 rack of Costco Light and said $12. And Hunter replied to it and he's like, there's no way that's $12. And I was like, yeah, it's actually 21. And he's like, if that shit was $12, we'd be butt chugging that daily.
Blowing the dust off old Betsy.
You should just leave it recording on the way back.
I did.
Oh, nice. Ouch. Watch out for that.
Yeah. Seems nasty.
Yeah. It's been sitting in 3 different shops for a long time.
Quentin, this is our new stabilizer.
Hell yeah.
It's better than a gimbal. Louder too.
By far.
Man, that shit's big.
Yeah, it's not small. It's a lot bigger than the fucking one I ordered. We'll just set it on the bumper right.
Furry dog.
Yeah, it's pretty gross, honestly. As an expert in subwoofer installs, it's important to have a good crunch.
Good crunch.
If your shit ain't crunch, you ain't getting no lunch.
You shit don't much. Why?
Oh, it's just a crunch factor, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, check out the. I just installed these hood struts. Oh, true.
Ooh, it's so out of focus.
It's the ring on the front of the lens.
Hey. Okay, okay.
Yeah, Mix-a-Lot's in trouble begging for a piece of this bubble. Oh boy. I wrapped that bitch around the back, so it's like invisible.
Invisible.
What?
Eels are just, they're electric noodles.
Let's start a band called the Electric Noodles.
Okay.
Be the oboe player for the electric
Yeah, you can
noodles.
play the oboe. The electric spoons.
Spoons.
Tap, 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 tap.
Zap, rap, pap, pap, beat, up, pap, pap.
Scat, scat. It'll be a scat band.
There you go.
Fucking Bluetooth out of distance. Oh no, I paused YouTube. That's what's up.
What is this?
Look at it go.
Yeah, this is dope.
But the mirrors? Nah, the mirrors don't even move. Cool. A successful install.
Yeah.
Can't wait for my actual subwoofer that I own to show up.
This one's big as fuck though.
Yeah, that one's big as fuck, but it's also kind of old, so I don't know, like, mine might be doper, who knows? Alright, well, we came, we saw, we made a whole car vibrate. It's not the bumpinest, loudest system in town.
It's the bumpest loudness system any of us have ever had.
Well, not him. This
Well,
motherfucker.
Besides you.
So yeah, he's experienced with subwoofers. I never even Googled how to install one, so that's why I came here. So yeah, my sub will be showing up soon, and I'll just, you know, it's easy just unplugging that one and putting mine in. And then that's that. That's pretty cool. I did this because when I got this car, it had shitty ass speakers in it and a shitty like 2004 like, oh, Bluetooth is a new technology, I have to have it in my car type head unit. So it was pretty trash, and now I'm stoked.
Dope.
Can't you tell by my face? I'm stoked. Thanks for watching. Catch us in the future. We're doing future shit. We're living in 2018 now. It's fucking whoa. Flying cars and shit. That's the next mod. Hovercraft.